Hello everyone, welcome back to another Wheelhouse video. Today we're going to be going over the inspections that exist within Wheelhouse. It's one of our rail modules, really great for operators on site that need to do inspections. Typically we see this done manually, oftentimes with pen and paper, but it is nice to get it in more digital version, as well as for the history, being able to access old records. So in terms of our inspections itself, what we'll see is some simple navigation options along the top. Our search box will allow us to search for particular cars that exist that are currently on site where we may need to do inspections. As cars move out, they will move off this list, but if you want to show the historical data for cars, you can always check this box and it will update the list accordingly. And then if any cars are missing, you can add railcars with the button in the far right. Doing so, you can either copy and paste or type in the cars that you would like to add. You can create multiple cars here at the top. Or if we close this up, we can create a single car and then directly start the form right away, or the inspection. Just below that, you'll have your table, so we'll see the list of cars and any forms or inspections that you've made. Now you have the ability to do or build as many inspection forms as you need. So on here, if we take a look at some of these cars, we can take a look at some of the forms that were created in the past. So let's just click into the preload form for this car here. Doing so will allow us to delete, save, or print the form at the very top. We can see car information, as well as who the inspector was, the date, capacity of the car, and then these questions are all configurable down below. And then you also have the ability to upload file attachments or take pictures. Typically you'll be on a tablet at site, so in the event that the car is a bad order or has damage, you can actually take snippets of the damages itself to attach to this inspection form directly here. If the car happens to pass all checks and you hit save, if we go back to our inspections, you will see it in the pass status, just kind of about 5 or 6 rows down here. And then it will move on to future forms like the post-loading form in terms of what I have for my site. So that's it. The inspection form is pretty straightforward. Again, I do want to emphasize you do have full configurability in terms of the number of forms or inspections that you create, as well as the questions that are on those forms. So that will be unique to each company. But otherwise, the process is the same. Hopefully that was a quick, good overview. I want to thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.